volume. Correct yourself. This is a standing one, not your new. Not your new. Oh yeah, there's a new. Oh yeah. Third step. Fourth step. Fifth one. Good job. Sixth step. Sixth. Freestyle. Freestyle. Good job. Good job. Good job. Then first four. Second step. Second line. Third one. Then the final one. My big girls. Woo! Good job. Then back to your line. Back to your lines. And then the waving. Okay. Yeah. Good job, guys.
I stopped. And then I started. So I need you, when you get to you stop. You give space, and then you start the middle F, right? Okay, so that is how we're going to do it. So A, B, C, D, F, you stop, and then we begin. Okay, this is the new sound we will learn today. We have been learning these 3 lines, so we're going to add the 3rd line today. So let me know if you're done writing it, and then we're going to go ahead and read the whole letters.
Are you okay?
No.
Asusu. What is this? Are you kind of pushing a little bit?
Asusu.
Oh my god. Shut up. I need one more.
Asusu. Igbo.
Yeah, I understand.
Igbo language.
I'm done.
Okay.
So, it's confusing. I know.
Okay, so
Your spoon's kind of short.
oh, Chidera, should we cook the rice on the stove instead of the oven?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys be careful, please, careful. So what we're gonna do? Okay, so we need to throw these things into the Wokoku means say something. Papando. Papando. Wokoku. Give me papando. What is a star? Give me wokoku. Give me wokoku. Say something. Good job. Papando means start. Wokoku means
Say something.
say something. Good job, you got it. Now let's do lean. Everybody say lean, lean, lean. All right. So when let's write well God. Everybody say me. Okwu Igbo bidoro na n'Igbo no means wow. Okay, me. Everybody say me. First my turn, then your turn. My turn. Me. Your turn. Me. Mba. Mba means no. All right. Me means no. Nibo no. And no in Igbo means welcome. All right. Who can tell me Igbo word that starts with me? Mba. Good job. Who can tell me Igbo word that starts with me? Good job. Try. Say no. No. Good job. All right. Who can tell me Igbo word that starts with E? B. Nice try. Papando. Give me papando. Good job. Who can tell me Igbo word that starts with P? Wo. Nice try. Wo. Everybody say wo. Give me wo in English. Say. Wo oku. Everybody say wo oku. Wo oku means say something, right? Say something. Okay, lean. Onye ga-agwa m Igbo word that starts with li. Le anya. Good job. Le anya. What does le anya mean?
Look here.
Look here. Good job. All right. We are back to here. Me.
Go. Baila, 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 baila. Basta.